So today on William's Adventures, I'm going to be trying to test a new crucible I bought. Or hopefully I can use it as a new crucible. So here's attempt 5 on trying to take in, melt down some aluminum. Got the coal going. But what I did is I bought at a thrift store a little antique or ceramic cup. And it's pretty thick, so I'm hoping this will work because ceramic has like a melting temperature of like 5,000 degrees. So I'm hoping this will work. Glowing stuff is cold, so I just started this and there we go.
You need something that's thick steel.
Yeah, I know. And it's starting to rain.
Is it really?
Yep. So this didn't work at all. And here's like a little glass one I had. It literally exploded. I had to sweep this up from the driveway. But that one there literally just cracked and fell apart. So that didn't work either. And it wasn't even at full heat either. I didn't even have it hot. So thank you for joining me today on William's Adventures. Let's go out and learn something new.